Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can fillet in LibreCAD. So let's get straight into it. So first thing first, I will draw a rectangle like so. Now we can go here to the modify and select fillet. Now what we can do, radius, we can set up radius right here. So I will go with 25 and click on that side and like so. Okay, so maybe we can do a little bit much, some like 50 radius, and I will go like into this area and like so. So this is how you can fillet in LibreCAD. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.